Okay guys, so now before I end off the video guys, I just want to give you, I just want to tell you about exactly where I am. And here, let me go over here so you guys can recognize it better. So before I end off the video guys, I want to show you exactly where I am. If you guys, sorry about the noises of the cars, it's because we're right next to a street, but if you guys watched the video I made a few weeks ago of a part 1, part 2, and part 3 videos of Allen, Texas tornado sirens. If you guys remember, if you guys watched that video, yeah, I'm over here. If you guys watched the video, part 2 video, yeah, I'm here at siren number 9, and yes guys, this is the one that's by the big water tower right here, as you can see. As you can see, there's the siren right there. As you can see, there's the siren, and yeah. So like I said, guys, I'm here at I'm here at siren number 9. If you guys watched the videos, yes, this is that one that's by the big that's next to the big water tower right here, as you can see. But yeah, there it is, guys. So yeah, this is siren number 9, and there's the water tower right here. But yeah, guys. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, and thank you for watching, guys.